Hi, welcome to Katia's Buzz. Today I'm going to show you a very useful tool to put together your ideas, to evolve your projects visually, to move things around, to kind of do your thought process visually so that you can keep a copy of it and evolve through time, but also to be able to kind of flow through whatever it is you're working on to make sure that you concentrate on the projects that are important, remove the ones that are not. You're also able to put color and graphics and images, whatever rocks your boat. So you put your goals down and you take them where your thought process takes you. I've been using MindMup for some time. I've actually tried others that I thought may be better. They were in 3D, they were this, they were that. I always go back to MindMap. I'm using the one that's free version. It's really a tool that's super helpful, and it's the beginning of the year. Welcome to 2021. Goodbye 2020, hopefully goodbye COVID-19. I hope that this year will be a lot better for all of us. Let's make sure we're all kinder, more compassionate, more gentle to one another. This world doesn't need just intelligent, successful people. We need to remember that we, first and foremost, need to be human, kind, compassionate, caring, and to help one another. So that's my wish for 2021. And let's jump into MindMap. And let me know in the comments below if you like the app, if you have a better one, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to help out. Thanks again for visiting my channel. Don't forget to take a second to press like and to subscribe. Okay, so we're going to go to MindMup, free MindMup software. This is clickup.com, so you don't want to go there. You want to go to mindmap.com. Create a free map, sign up. So you see all the information here. Now, I'm using the free version, so create a free map. Let's say 2021 goals. Then you tab, and we're going to say health, wealth. I press tab every time I create a new window. Spirit. So what else is there? Health, spirit, wealth, learning. So under health, I'm going to put exercise, healthy eating, walk, spirit, meditate, practice, learn, study, read, teach, and wealth, property, income, passive income. Now that I have a simple tree, I can move this further. I can move health over here. I can put spirit over here, and I can put learn over there. Exercise, I can tab and say 30 minutes eating, healthy eating, vegetarian. This tool is helpful because you can go as far as you want. So let's say today you're done with this, you close it up, you save it, tomorrow you come back to it, and boom, you say, you do Shen Rezig, and then you do frustrations, and then you do mandala, and then you do Rasattva. And then you can even say, you know, let's say 38, and Vajrasattva 58,000. And the mandala is 22,000, and the Shen Rezig, let's say 300,000. Then, so if I want, I can put an image. If I wanted to use this picture for my spirit, that works for me. If I want to change all these, I can change the text alignment, text size, font, can attach a file. So for health, I'm going to make it dark blue and color of the text white. Maybe I should make them all red. My health is my heart, wealth. So we've done everything we could for today. So you're going to go in, download as. So you can download it as a MindMup, which means you'll be able to reopen it here in MindMup, or FreeMind image if you want a JPEG or a PNG or just something you want to upload somewhere else, PDF, outline, notes, or storyboard, PowerPoint, Word Writer, PDF, full size or optimized. So you have quite a possibility of downloading, but I recommend you download as a MindMap. So now it's a week later. I'm gonna go back to MindMap. So to get the MindMap app, in order to be able to re-upload your maps, so you come to MindMap, you'll have a chance to read what it says. Go to integrate with Google. So then you open from Google Drive. You have your map here, you double click it, it opens in MindMap, and then you have your editable mind map. And I think it is just wonderful to keep your goals together. Thanks again for visiting my channel. Don't forget to take a second to press like and to subscribe. I look forward to seeing you again. If you have any desire for other videos, I'll be more than happy to listen to your comments. And I'm doing everything I can to send out information that I find useful. Have a beautiful day.